Hello guys, review OPPO Reno 12, this version, 12GB memory and 256GB storage, open box and look completion. In completion we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Now talk about device. On the back side triple camera, on the front side 6.7-inch display. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone, ColorOS version 14.1. 5000 mAh battery. CPU Dimensity 7300 energy. On this side power button and wall buttons, Type-C port and device without headphones jack. Okay. Low Geekbench 6 score. And the benchmark results. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.